Hi friends, welcome to GK and Current Affairs Learning Tricks. Today we are going to discuss Current Affairs of April 29, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all competitive exams like SSC, Railway, Bank, UPSC, PSC, etc. First question: which Australian cricketer donated $50,000 to PM Cares Fund for oxygen supply? Answer: Pat Cummins. Australian cricketer Pat Cummins on Monday donated $50,000 to PM Cares Fund for the purchase of oxygen supplies in India's hospitals. Second question: who has been appointed as the new MD and CEO of NCDEX? Answer: Arun Raste. National Commodity and Derivatives Exchange on Sunday said Arun Raste will be next managing director and CEO of period of 5 years. Third question: what is the name of China's first Mars mission rover? Answer: Zhurong. China's first Mars rover will be named Zhurong after traditional fire god, the government announced on Saturday. The rover is aboard the Taiwan probe that arrived in Mars orbit on February 24 and is due to land in May to look for evidence of life. Fourth question: who has been appointed as the CEO and MD of Stellantis in India? Answer: Ronald Bouchara. Ronald Bouchara has been elevated to the role of CEO and MD of automaker Stellantis India operation with full responsibility for the Jeep and Citroën national sales companies along with the group's manufacturing activities. Fifth question: who has won Barcelona Open title 2021? Answer: Rafael Nadal. Sixth question: what is the name of Hindustani classical singer who passed away recently? Answer: Pandit Rajan Mishra. Renowned classical singer Rajan Mishra of Rajan Sajan Mishra duo, who passes away due to heart complaints along with COVID-19 in Delhi on Sunday, had a significant connection with Uttarakhand. Seventh question: DRDO conducts maiden trial of which air-to-air missile recently? Answer: Python 5. Hyderabad in April 28, UNI Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO has conducted a maiden trial of Python 5 air-to-air missile on Tuesday. Eighth question: where is oxygen manufacturing plant inaugurated by Amit Shah recently? Answer: Gandhinagar. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has inaugurated an oxygen manufacturing plant at Kolavada village in Gandhinagar today. Ninth question: when is International Dance Day celebrated? Answer: April 29th. International Dance Day is global celebration of dance created by the Dance Committee of the International Theatre Institute, the main partner of Performing Arts of UNESCO. 10th question: what is the theme of International Dance Day 2021? Answer: Purpose of Dance. The International Day of Dance 2021 theme is Purpose of Dance. Let's discuss some important days and themes of 2021. April 25, World Malaria Day. Theme: Reaching the Zero Malaria Target. April 7, World Health Day. Building a Healthier and Fairer World. April 22, World Earth Day. Theme: Restore Our Earth. April 16, World Voice Day. One World, many voice. April 2nd, World Children's Book Day. The music of words. 12th question. Who has won Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021? Answer, Rumana Sinha. Rumana Sinha Sehgal won the Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021. Rumana Sinha Sehgal, software engineer turned entrepreneur from Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh. 13th question. Where will be 2022 Commonwealth Games held? Answer, Birmingham. 14th question. Where will be 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Games held? Answer, Haryana. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar and Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports Kiran Rijiju Saturday announced Haryana as the host state for the 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Games, which is currently scheduled to take place after Tokyo Olympics. 15th question. Dantak project in Bhutan has completed how many years of working? Answer, 60 years. It was 15th tribute to sacrifice made by personal Dantak in strengthening the bonds of friendship between India and Bhutan.